Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and Friends. And tonight's episode, it's a special one, right? Do you see this little yellow guy here? Yeah, he's called SpongeBob, right? And he's famous for working in the Krusty Krab. And what does he make? Oh yes, he makes Krabby Patties, right? And that is what I am going to try and recreate tonight. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make a Krabby Patty.
This episode of Chris the Butcher and Friends is brought to you by Team CTB Productions.
Let's just slide it down me gizzard. In our bowl there, we have some mince. I've put some sea salt, I've put some cracked black pepper in, and all we need now is Mr. Krabs' secret formula. Right, before we go any further, let's talk about this secret ingredient that Mr. Krabs has. You know, this guy here, right? Mr. Krabs, he owns a Krusty Krab, we know that. And he's got this secret formula for his Krabby Patty. And this little green fucker here, he's called Plankton. And all he does, right, him and his computer girlfriend Karen, he tries to steal Mr. Krabs' secret recipe. Never gets it. And you know why he'll never get it? Because in actual fact, Mr. Krabs, this red bastard here, is a shrewd fucker. And a marketing ploy, he says, I've got a secret recipe for my Krabby Patty. And in actual fact, there isn't one, right? Don't tell anybody, right? If you tell him, I have to kill you, right? So, what a great marketing ploy. There is no secret ingredient. He just tells you that so your brain thinks it tastes better. Right, anyway, now you know the truth, let's crack on. So we're just going to get our hands in, give it a good mixing. And I'll carry on doing this. And I'll form our burgers. So I've made 2. I've got 3 more blobs there to do. I'm only going to cook one for the video, which is that one there. Now, I've got a griddle pan here. I'm getting that up to temperature. I want it screaming hot. And I'm not going to put any oil in the griddle pan. However, I'm going to spray my burger with some garlic oil. Right? Both sides. And we'll slide this right now into that griddle there. And here it goes. Oh, can you hear that? Beautiful. Right, I'm going to cook this for probably about 4 minutes each side. And then we'll bang down here and we'll assemble this Krabby Patty. Before we do finish this burger and build it, I just want to show you it turned. Oh, now that is one bang tidy burger. It's time to build this, and I've got to make sure I do it exactly the same sequence as SpongeBob does it. So we've got our bun. You're going to go in with your burger, your special Krabby Patty, right? Some crisp lettuce, apparently. I'm using iceberg. Right, that'll do, fuck it, I won't be able to get it on. Then, I know it sounds weird, strange, right? Then you go on with your cheese. You go on with your onion. I'm not going to get all this on. Fuck me. Tomato. Ketchup. Mustard. Pickles. Don't forget the pickles. And your lid. It'll stand up. Right, and there we have it, my brothers and sisters. We have the Krabby Patty. I mean, it looks like shit right now. We'll get down here and have a proper look at it, eh?
So, my brothers and sisters, there is my Krabby Patty. So what should we say, eh? Should we slide this down me gizzard?
My Krabby Patty, brothers and sisters. I'm just going to delve in. Look at that mustard.
Slide it down me gizzard. Oh, my mouth's not big enough. Oh, yes. It's a strange way of assembling a burger, but it seems to work. Even though I know SpongeBob is not real, right? That burger is superb. The tomatoes, the onions, the pickles are coming through fucking strong. The cheese is falling off. Huh? Whoops. So, my brothers and sisters, that was my Krabby Patty, right? And I assembled it and spat a spitball of Krabby Patty over there somewhere. I think it's stuck to the cupboard door. So stuck under my taser, under my gums and shit. Huh? That was good. That was good. Like I was saying, I assembled that exactly the same way SpongeBob, our little yellow friend here, would assemble it at the Krusty Krab. And I am telling you now, that was mighty fucking fine. So you know the drill. If you liked it, press like, big thumb. Comment, share it on your social media, get our little channel out there. Let's get us up to, I don't know, let's get us to 2,000 subs in the next 10 fucking years. I'm not asking for a lot, am I? Eh? Yeah, and subscribe and become a family member of #TeamCTB, where me, SpongeBob, Squidward, Plankton, Mr. Krabs, all the other fishy fuckers in SpongeBob fucking love you.